Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Stanley Sebastian. Today I'm going to share with you my review on Easy Mini X drone.
I have been using this drone for more than 30 days now.
Good thing about this drone is its camera. The camera quality is really good. But the bad thing about this drone is its batteries. You can see the condition of these batteries. You might be thinking that it's just the stickers came out of the battery. The actual problem is that all the 3 batteries have started bulging. You can see here that the battery is getting stuck when we insert it to the charging case, and that's how the stickers came out from the batteries. These are lithium batteries and we have to be very careful with it. They are kind of explosives. This is the second battery. You can see clearly that it's getting stuck. I informed Izzy Cart team about this issue. They asked me to courier the batteries to them. They want to check it and then they will advise us what to do next. They also told me that one battery will cost 4,500 rupees. This is the third battery. I will show you how tight this battery is. You can see the battery bulging from this angle. Each battery will make the drone fly for nearly 20 minutes. Luckily, these batteries are still working and I am able to insert it in the drone. So before buying this drone, think twice or thrice about its batteries. Then you can decide. Frankly speaking, I won't recommend anyone to purchase this drone.
Unless the company resolve these issues.